What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dilylah.ferrari if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, boo? So I just created this beautiful look that I have right now. This is a half up, half down. Hey, you're supposed to be closing it, little girl. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I just created this bomb look, and I would like for you to stay tuned so that you can get creative with me, okay?
I think I'm crazy. Way I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me the baby.
Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Dilylah.ferrari, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, boo? As you can tell from the title of the video, we are going to be doing a bowl cap method. This is the quickest bowl cap method you could ever do because I don't know about you, but I be always on a time crunch. I live in New York, so time is never on my side. So we about to do our hair in like 5 to 10 minutes. Let's get started. You need a mirror, so you want to push back all of your hair just to play it safe. This is actually like my third time doing a bowl cap method on myself, so wish me luck. I feel like I know what I'm doing. Then you'll need one of these things. This is just a comb slash brush with a tail comb. Okay, you're gonna use the brush side and just brush back your natural hair like so. And then you're gonna take your blow dryer and just blow dry that on cool or heat just to dry it up. Now that that is nice and dry, it's really a little bit hard. That's how you like it. I'm gonna take my wig cap. You can use any colored wig cap that you feel like matches your skin tone or your scalp, okay? I'm gonna use this one because it was free and it came with the wig, and we like free, okay? So we're gonna use our wig cap, and I'm only gonna use one of them. Sometimes I like to use two, but we're doing a bowl cap method. We want it to be really thin. When I'm not doing a bowl cap method, I use two wig caps to keep my braids down nice and tight. You want to bring that all the way across like this and over your ears, just like that. Look at my brow, y'all. I look crazy. So now that it's like that, you want to have enough hairline, okay? Like that. Put it over your ears, and then you're going to take a scissors. I am using the wrong scissors, but don't judge me. So you're going to take your scissors and just poke a hole around the ear part. I like to do it behind the ear just to give it enough hairline coverage. And then you're going to go up like that, and you want to glue there, okay? That's why I did a behind the ear, so that I can glue this little area around my ears. You just like pretty much poke a hole. You don't even cut it. Stretch it out if you have to, because this side was not trying to cooperate just now. You want to glue around there, right there. Okay, today I went and picked up the Kiss Almighty glue, y'all. I have been seeing so many people ranting about this glue. This is how it looks. This is the Kiss Almighty Bonding Lace Front Glue, sis, and I heard that it is easy to work with. It comes with two heads. One is the application silicone head, and that silicone head is going to help you smear out the glue, and the other side is the glue area. You know, when people like to do the dotted line going around their hairline, that's what we're about to do right now, y'all. I know a lot of people like to use popsicles, but using this Kiss Almighty glue help you to smear the glue easier, and you don't need to use popsicles. You want to get really close to your hairline, but do not touch your hair. We're going to use probably like 2 layers of this because I'm not trying to leave the glue on for too many days. I never leave my wig on for too many days anyways. I only be doing like about a week, maybe 3 days, to be honest with you guys. So after you do the dotted line, I see that this glue is drying pretty quick, and I love that. So we want to go around our hairline like so, and then we're going to close this side because we don't want it to come out. We're going to open the other side. I think glue comes out on this side too. I see a whole glue comes out on this side too, guys. Would you look at that? Glue comes out on this side. So not only it makes it easier, but glue comes out, it makes it super easier. Oh my god, I love this. I was very skeptical on using this product. I had it for about a month since I heard about it, and I never put it to use. I am so happy right now, you guys. And today is Thanksgiving, you guys. Happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are all staying safe, and you guys are all being loving and sharing that love, that beautiful love that's within yourself. You are sharing it out there with everyone. Okay, we're gonna blow this out on cool. So one con that I am getting about this glue is that if you put too much, it's going to dry white. So try not to use too much of it, but you want it to be super dry. I'm just gonna apply a second layer on the clear part, and then I'm gonna allow this side to dry. I said I wasn't gonna touch that side, and I still did. I don't know what just happened just now. And I'm using my rat tail comb. This is so handy, you guys. This is the best one that I've ever bought. I usually buy the one that comes with the brush on this side and the comb on this side. No, get yourself the one that comes with the rat tail comb on this side. It's super handy. You want to smear that out. And I see a lot of people like to put a thick amount of glue. You don't need a thick amount, because you know that can ruin your wig also. You just want a small line going across your hairline. This is a little off topic, but I've been trying to get that screensaver to save the clock, and it haven't been saving. I think I did the research wrong. But off topic, let's get back into this wig. The glue dried really good. It's a little bit tacky, but it is really, like, it's dry. Like, my finger is dry. Like, I love that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I hope you are too. So now we're gonna cut this thing off of our head. I like to go, I don't think this side is too dry. I put too much glue on this side. Try not to do that mistake, but I think I can still cut it. Try to cut as close as you can to the glue area so that you don't have to do more cutting. All I'm doing is poking a hole and cutting it. It's making it so much easier when you cut a hole. Poke a hole in there and cut. I like to use the access band and just put it right at the top so that it don't roll up. I don't know, a lot of people don't have that problem, but for some reason I have that problem, and that's why my wigs don't be lasting when I go get it done, because they like to cut off the band. Just push the band back a little. It would not show, and try to like open it up and push it back a little. It won't show. Now we're going to take the pointed side. I love how it's looking. Now I'm going to take my powder. This is the medium to dark black radiance contour powder, and I'm going to use the really brown side, the middle part. That's why it's missing a lot, because I use that for everything. That is my perfect shade color, and I'm going to just apply that makeup before I start to glue down the wig. Honestly, this step, you don't need too much foundation. I see some people put too much powder, and you are about to wear this wig for about 2 weeks. You don't want that foundation sitting on your natural hair because it does seep through. You don't want that, so just put a light amount. Make sure it matches your skin color and you should be good. Now I'm going to apply a thin layer of glue right in front of the wig cap. You don't want a thick amount of glue. You want a small thin layer of glue because you don't want to mess up your wig frontal. If you put too much glue on that wig frontal, and when it's time to clean it, it's going to be a disaster, okay? That's what you don't want to do. So I'm just smearing it out with the other end of the glue, like so, and I'm going to take my blow dryer and dry that on cool. We're gonna put a second layer, and it is tacky. This glue dries quickly, you guys, so you gotta move quick. And then I'm going to smear it again with the other end. So once again, you don't want a thick layer. You want a perfect slim line going around your forehead, and you only need 2 layers, okay? So I'm gonna blow this out one more time, and you don't want to blow it out on too dry. You want it to be exactly tacky. Your finger should be able to stick just a little bit on it. This glue, you guys, you gotta work fast because it dries quick, and I love that because when you're on a time crunch, you want something that works quick. So I'm gonna take my wig, and my wig is by Love Me Hair. I want to do a separate video on this wig, so we're just gonna match the wig up to the hairline. You don't want none of the hair getting caught onto the glue, okay? So I'm gonna use my clip, and I'm just gonna clip it back because I don't want the hair going onto the glue. You just want the lace to go on the glue. Wow, it's sticking. Oh my god, it's sticking so good, you guys. I had this wig professionally done, but I don't like how they cut it. I know. I'm so used to doing my own stuff, so the way she cut around the ears area, I'm not really rocking with. She said the wig was a little bit too small for my head, so that's why she cut it like that. But I think I could have cut it way better, and that's why I like to do my own wigs, and I encourage anyone to do their own. And then you want to hold on, okay? So that is snatching, honey. I want that snatch look. I want to look like, you know, Chinese. I love when my wig is snatching my face. And yeah. So now you'll need to melt the lace by putting a scarf on, okay? So alright, you guys, so I took a little break and I tied down my hair because I wanted that lace to be melted, sis, and I don't have my hot comb. I am trying to do this video as easy as peasy, how to look beautiful within a few minutes without using all that extra accessories. So we're gonna take this off because it's been about 20 minutes. Someone got me some food. Y'all know it's Thanksgiving Day. And would you guys look at that? The ball cap method work wonders. The Kiss Almighty Bald Hold lace glue is A1 because I'm pulling in. Oh my god, it feels, I don't want to pull too hard so the hair don't come off, but y'all, this is fire. I'm not gonna lie. I don't have my hot comb, you guys. I was on vacation and I left it all. Oh, I should do a half up, half down. That always looks good on me. Yeah. And we're gonna do some baby hairs also, but I gotta find me a scrunchie because this was not planned. I know every girl got edge control in their cabinet, in their room somewhere. So we're gonna use some edge control and we're going to lay down our baby hairs. This is the Ebin New York Edge Control. This was $12.99. This is the family size. Some people like to use the Got To Be glue. I was one of them. I like to use the Got To Be glue, I'm not gonna lie, because it lasts longer. But I'm gonna use my Edge Control because the Edge Control just give it a softer look, a more natural look. And I might go in a little bit with the Got To Be glue after, but I'm gonna see. In order to do your baby hairs, all you're gonna do is hold it with one finger, and then you're gonna, you see I'm holding it right here, and then I'm swooping it. Like, it's so easy. That's too much. I don't know. What you guys think about this? 1 second.
What is it doing down?
I'm doing my hair.
And you?
Come, say hi to the people. Stop being mean. Let them see your beautiful hair. Because your hair is cute too. And I'm trying to look like you. Who did your hair? My mommy. Your mommy did a good job.
My mom.
Show them your bow. Put your head down. Ooh, fire. Alright, you guys. So I was debating on doing a half up, half down. I'm not too sure. Be careful, don't knock the camera down, please. I'm not too sure about it. I think I do want to do a half up. Okay, I can't put... Please don't knock my camera down. I'm going to be so upset. Okay, I'm not too sure if I want to do a half up, half down, or just leave my hair all the way down.
To put your hair in a bun.
In a bun, right? That would be cute.
Yeah, to put it like this. Okay? So...
Because you know style. Your style is fire. Let me get a scrunchie real quick. Okay, Dollar Tree got the best scrunchies. This is like the rubber band scrunchie. And yeah, we about to put this here.
And I have a rainbow something.
You want to sit on me?
A rainbow.
A rainbow? You're
yeah,
so heavy and big.
all kind of ones.
How old are you now? What you mean,
4.
Yeah, big girl.
I used to be 3, but now I'm 4.
Be careful, don't knock my camera down. Yeah. That's how you clap? What you was doing downstairs? You was down there for so long.
No, I wasn't. I was down there for 2 minutes.
You was down there for like 2 hours.
Yeah, I was down there for 2 minutes.
See, I done moved my ring light, y'all. I'm sorry. The distractions. But it's all good in the neighborhood. Right? Go like that. Your favorite pose. And... anyways, you guys, I just finished the hair and I love it so, so much. I will be having this hair in for about...
Yeah, but I thought to do it in a bun.
What? I don't want to wear it in a bun. I'm going to wear it out like this. But you guys, that's how it came out. If you do like it, please give me a like. Comment down below your favorite part. And subscribe. If you didn't subscribe yet, what are you waiting for? What you got to say?
And remember to give a like up if you want to see the video again.
Yes. Give a like if you want to see the video again, you said?
Yeah, and put the thumbs up.
Put the thumbs up. Thank you for that. That was awesome. Maybe you can help me get some subscribers. Bye. Let me do my intro.
And
you're interrupting my video.
And how you talk to us?
You can talk after.
Yeah, but what are we doing?
Okay, so you see why I said no. You see why I said no.
Come on, short.
I'll see y'all later. I know.
Yeah, and
that's it. It's enough. Camera time. Okay, let's do one more video.